Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can host a party in Heartopia. So hosting a party is the best way if you want to show off your interior design skills, meet new friends, and also rack up massive social experience. And here I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide to being the ultimate host. So first you need to just open your watch and then scroll down until you see party. Click on it, and in here I just unlock the tea party options, and in here you can just send the invitations. You can choose whether it's a friend only or only you can invite a player. So I'm going to just go with both, and after that you can just click on throw a party. Click on confirm to okay, so I just create a party in here. Okay, and if you want to send the invitation, you can just click on invite. Here, let's say I'm going to invite a friend, and let's just wait until the guests come. And before you can host a party, you need to first prepare at least three dishes like this. So my friend has joined the party, and it's en route. You can just wait until your friends come, and after that, or you can also just click on start now, just like that. Now it has started. Let's say my friend is come, you can just go chat with them or talk to them, and if you're done you can just click on the button again. Click on this one right here to disband the party. Just click on confirm. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.